What's going on, everybody? My name is Dre the Bread Talk, and I'm here with you today to cover some information about KOT4X, the broker, and helping you set it up with for your TradeLocker experience with their web trader. Now, the only way that you can gain access to the TradeLocker web trader is if you have a broker like KOT4X. Now, there are other brokers that you can utilize with this particular platform, but for this particular training purpose, we're going to be covering KOT4X, or King of Transparency. 4X is their name. And again, this is the setup to help you get started. Again, my name is Dre Lavelle. Be sure to like, share, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. We love your feedback. We love your feedback, right? And just let us know how we can be better, or if it was of service to you. Let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and get your pen and pad handy, and let's go ahead and take some copious notes. Let's go. All right. First things first, you want to go to the KOT4X website. Go to www.kot4x.com, and in the upper right corner, select sign up. Now, you'll see this sign up option whether you're on a cell phone or you're on a desktop computer. Now, I will say this: if you have a referral link, like the one that will provide, like mine, that will be provided down below in the description, go ahead and select that referral link instead of selecting any sign up, and it'll take you there to the next screen, right? Again, you need a broker to gain access to the TradeLocker web trader so that you can place trades. Either go to the web link directly, or you can select the referral link down below in the comments, all right? Or your sponsor's referral link, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Now, you're going to complete the sign up now section. In there, you're going to either select your email if it is provided so that it can gain access, or go ahead and put in your first name. Middle name is an option, last name, email, as well as password. And you're going to put a check in the box for the terms and condition stating that, hey, I am 18 years and older of age, so that I can trade legally. Now, if you do have a business account, or if you would like a business account and have a LLC already, or you have some type of corporation already, go ahead and select down below signing up for a business account and select sign up, so it can take you to the next screen, right? Now, if you already have a user account for KOT4X, just select log in down below. Either way, let's get you started. Once you select sign up now, I want you to go into your email and select the KOT4X email so that you can verify and confirm that you have created this account. Now, you should see it in less than 2 minutes, or within 2 minutes. If you don't, make sure that you check your spam or your junk folder. Again, please check your spam or junk folder for an email from KOT4X, allowing you to confirm and verify that you've created this account. Now, if you do not see that email within the 2 minutes, go ahead and select resend email down below from this page so that you can start the process all over. Now, hopefully you got strong email or internet connectivity, so you shouldn't have any issues in that area, right? And just confirm, hey, did you put in the right email? All right, moving on to the next. Once you go ahead and select that you verified and confirmed, you're going to finalize the sign up now section. Go ahead and put your telephone number in. Be sure there's a plus sign by the telephone number, so you're going to need to put the number 1 if you're in the United States, right? That is your country's code, your country's telephone code, right? Then put your area code as well as the 7 digits of your telephone number. Go ahead and select select your date of birth. Put in your date of birth. Go ahead and put your gender, male or female, the currency, USD for United States. If you're in Europe, EUR, right? For example. Next, go ahead and put in your address. So whatever your address is, go ahead and put that in. Now, finally, down below, Make sure you verify that you want to keep these boxes already, or get these notifications, whether it's marketing newsletters. If it's green, that means you want it. Offerings and promotions, if it's green, that means you want it. Maintenance and and notification is green, that means you want it. So if you don't want any of them, just go ahead and select the box. I would recommend that you keep maintenance and notifications, right? Because there are maintenance and notifications that do pop up. So you want to be abreast of those options, opportunities. So if you want to keep them all, great. Either way, go ahead and select create your account. All right. So once you create your account, if you're on a cell phone, in the upper right corner, or excuse me, upper left corner, you're going to see the 3 lines. That's going to lead you to your dashboard menu, which you'll see over here, right? And I want you to select verifications. Now, if you're on a desktop computer already, from your dashboard menu, it's going to be on your left side. From your dashboard menu, go ahead and select verifications. You're going to need to verify who you are. You're going to need to upload your proof of ID for verification. So 1, you're going to either provide your driver's license, state ID, maybe military ID, or a password, I believe, are the options that are offered. Once you go through the process of identification and verification, typically it takes less than about 30 minutes. So within the 30-minute time frame, you should know if you've been verified or not. Now, I will say this: if you're screenshotting your ID, make sure your camera is clean. Make sure that you're on a background that's clear, and the only thing that they see is your ID. It'll let you know, right? It's pretty smart AI technology that they have right now. So just complete the process. You may have to do it 1 or 2 times. Hopefully not. You just do it 1 time and you be good to go. But once you're verified, it's going to say verified in green, right? The next thing you want to do in your menu, and in your dashboard menu, I need you to go to settings. I need you to go to settings because you're going to confirm your telephone number. Make sure it is correct. If it is in there correct, remember, it's got to have the country code, the area code, and the rest of the 7 digits. All that's got to be in there. You're going to select update and verify. It's going to send you a text message, SMS text message. You want to put that code inside of the box in here. Once it's verified, and then your phone number will then at that point be verified. Now, if you do select the box update and verify and nothing happens, 9 times out of 10, something in that telephone number isn't correct. More than likely, it has something to do with the country code. Okay. Now, moving along, I would recommend you do the 2 FA options. The main option right here is the Authenticator app. Get the Google Authenticator app, or maybe you have it already. Great. Go ahead and click that box, and then it'll just follow the steps so that you can get your 2-way authentication. Now, this is the most secure option here. You can still have the telephone where they send you a text message, but this is way more secure than your telephone number, right? I love tokens because the number's always changing. A number is always changing. By each minute, there's a new number popping up, right? I believe it's about 6 digits, right? 4 to 5, 6 digits. And with that being said, always protect your online accounts with 2-way authentication. So if you have an email, if you have social media, if you have a bank account, if you et cetera, verify if those accounts have 2-way authentication, some sort, whether it's the application or SMS, whatever methods that they have. Utilize the resource. This will prevent or help prevent people from easily hacking into your account, stealing your information, and doing what in the world are they doing to your information, right? Tarnishing your good name. So 2-way authentication is a great way to go, ladies and gentlemen. You're now ready. You're ready to create your account. You can now access your TradeLocker through the email that you're going to receive. So go to your email, right? Your TradeLocker login credentials will be there. The email in particular is going to say new demo TradeLocker account created, right? Now, if it was a live account, it would say new live TradeLocker account created. You'll always be able to find it in your subject. You may find yourself creating multiple demo accounts or multiple live accounts. So that's the quickest way to find that particular email in there. You're going to see the link for TradeLocker. If it's demo, it's going to start off with demo.tradelocker.com. If it's live, it's going to say live.tradelocker.com. It's going to provide your username, which should be your email, right? Whatever your email address is. It's going to provide an ID, account ID number. This one in particular, you're going to need account password. Now, the password is the password. You can't change it. So make sure that, again, that you keep this email. You're going to want to save your emails if you continue to have these particular types of accounts. And your server name, KOT-demo. If it was live, it'd be KOT-live. And again, whatever the credentials are, you'll see it here in this email. Your account number will always help you out and help you decide which account you need to be in. Okay, go ahead and select login. Once you select login, ladies and gentlemen, you now have an opportunity to log into TradeLocker. So you're going to put in your credentials. Now, I will say this too as well. Before you put in your credentials, make sure you verify that you're in the right account. You want to make sure you're either in a demo account. If it's a live account, then you need to switch to a live account and be in a live account. And you'll know the difference, right? Because you'll see it right here. Blue for live, purple for demo. If you have operating from a cell phone, you want to see TradeLocker here, right? The icon. It's going to have the two brackets on top. It's going to be black, and underneath it's going to say TradeLocker. Okay. Put in your credentials. Actually, before you put in your credentials, go ahead and select Discord. This will allow you to join the TradeLocker Discord channel so that you can stay up to date with all of the information of comings and goings of TradeLockers. They have great trading sessions on there too, live, interactive. You can ask questions on if you're having issues with the device. You can submit a feedback report, ask questions to help you navigate. I do have some trainings on our Bread Talk Investors channel, how to use TradeLocker. There's a part 1, a part 2, and a live team trading exercise that I have helping people utilize TradeLocker. So again, you want to make sure that you subscribe and join to the Bread Talk Investors YouTube channel. So once you put in your credentials, you join their Discord, go ahead and select the link. And now you're going to have access. Either one, you're going to be doing it from your desktop, or you're going to be doing it from your tablet, or you're going to be doing it from your cell phone. And this is what it looks like here when I'm circling my mouse. You're going to know because it's going to say demo here at the top, and it's going to be long ways. Now, what I love about this too, you can also tilt your phone sideways. So make sure that you have automatic rotation on, and it'll look just like you're looking at a desktop, right? System is real interactive, real easy to use. It's simultaneous. I love the TradeLocker web browser. There's always, from time to time, you want to see updates at the top. Just go ahead and apply those updates. If they're ever doing maintenance, 9 times out of 10 is on a Sunday. It shouldn't be any convenience or inconvenience to you. So I think you're really going to enjoy the tool. If you really like this information, please share. Thank you for coming. Hopefully you've learned some information. Do me a favor, down below in the comments, name 1 or 2 things that you actually learned or something that you really liked about this particular video. Each one must teach one. So I need you to share this information so that we can continue to grow, blossom, and flourish in this arena. Ladies and gentlemen, again, my name is Dre Lavelle, the Bread Talker, and I love being here working with you. Talk to me.